Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make pop-up text on DaVinci Resolve. So first you have to open your DaVinci Resolve on your device, then simply click on these titles here. Now from here you can find text plus. This actually fixed text that you can make animate to make it pop up on your screens. But let me show you a quick thing, a quick settings here. Like here is dark box text. Here you can see the animation will look like this. So it's pretty cool, I think, and it will actually pop up the text on your screen. So you can go with this one. So it will add the animate with that, or also you can add this texture. You can find different types of animation here with the texture. So you can actually go with that, and you can find some different types of text from here. So the dark box text will help you to pop up the text, or otherwise let me show you. If you want a normal text to be pop up on your screen, so you have to click on the texture and simply click on that texture. Let me show you. Go to the inspector here, then select the title here, then you can add something like anything for text or pop up. I'm going to add pop up just like this. I have just added it. Now you have to simply add it, like go to the settings here, and when you are settings you can find the zoom effect here. So you can actually add the zoom effect here. So first let me show you. You can actually set the position. Also you can go with the zoom pop-up or zoom out or zoom in pop-up, or you can go with the position pop-up. So let me show you the zoom in position here. So first you can actually decrease the size from here. Like I'm going to size 7.5 0.75. so I have just added it, and here after that we are going to add it like here. After some like this, after some more frame, we are going to add another keyframe here. So this is actually the keyframe. You have to add the keyframe here. So I'm going to add it like 1.55, just like this, and we are going to add, after a few more frame, we are going to add it like again 1.1, so just like this. Now let's see how it will look like. So we are going to scroll it and we are going to play it, so like just like this. So that's how you can actually add the pop-up. Also you can add in the position here, so you can also go with the position. So let me show you. Actually you can add the position here, and you can add the position here. So you can make it down here. So minus will be give you the down position here, and the plus will give you the up position. So you can also just like this, you can actually create the pop-up text on your DaVinci Resolve. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.